Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Paula, my channel's PJ Danita Trends, where I talk about all things trending in my life. And today we're going to be talking about the Dollar General weekly ad, and this is from the dates of July 9th through July 15th. So this week in Dollar General, you can get the Coca-Cola products. They're going to be 3 for $15. If you clip that $2 digital coupon, you can save $2. There's also a promotion going on the Canada Dry Dr. Pepper, A&W, Sunkist, RC, or Cola, and they are also 3 for $14 with a digital coupon. For the cereal, the Trix and the Reese's or General Mills products will be on sale 2 for $5, and there is a digital coupon where you can save $1 when you purchase 2. The Folgers coffee is also regularly priced at $10.75, but there's a $2.80 digital coupon. For the laundry detergent, it looks like the Gain, the Bounce, the Tide, there's a promotion going on. For those items that are regularly priced at $5.50, you'll want to make sure to clip that $1 digital coupon. And if you like the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, you can save an additional $1.25. And this is for the pods, the liquid, and the scent beads. For tissue, the Scott is going to be on sale for $3.70. And the Dollar General True Living Soft is regularly priced at $5, but there is a $1 coupon. There are lots of back-to-school sales going on this week at Dollar General. There's a 50-cent sale on Crayola crayons and also the Elmer's School Glue. You can also get the notebooks 3 for $1. For the Febreze products, they're going to be on sale, buy one, get one free. And you can instantly save 75 cents on Energizer batteries. Now let's take a look at the grocery promotions. The General Mills Nature Valley products will be 2 for $6, but you'll want to make sure to clip that $1 digital coupon. The Hot Pockets are going to be on sale. They're going to be 2 for $6, and you can instantly save $2 when you spend $10 on any Kraft or Heinz brand condiments. So it looks like they've got the mayo, the barbecue sauce, Italian dressing, ranch dressing, ketchup, and the Heinz 57 sauce. You can also instantly save $2 when you spend $8 on the Prego pasta sauce. And it looks like they've got the tomato sauce and also the Alfredo type sauce. If you need some sweet treats, the Little Debbie products are going to be on sale. They're 2 for $5. And there's a 2 for $7 sale on some of the ice cream products, including Oreo and Haagen-Dazs. The Sony Water 24-pack will be 2 for $9, and Gatorade will be buy 2, get 1 free. You can also save $2 if you clip the digital coupon when you spend $10 on M&M's or Snickers products. Now let's take a closer look at some more laundry detergent promotions. Lots of sales going on if you like Gain products. For the flings, the liquid, the fabric softener, the regular price is $4.50, but you'll want to clip that $1 digital coupon, making your final price with the coupon $3.50. Persil is going to be regularly priced at $5.95, but there is a $1.50 digital coupon. There's also a 50-cent coupon on Tide. Now, if you want some of these Tide products like the pods or the liquid detergent, they're regularly priced at $9.95, but there's a $2 digital coupon on these assorted Tide and Bounce products. Dollar General is one of the few stores that still have $1 deals, so you'll want to be sure to check out some of those promotions. For Dawn dish liquid soap, it's regularly priced at $5.85, but there is a $1 digital coupon. For the finished tabs and the jet dry liquid, there is a save an additional $1 digital coupon this week. And for Cascade, there is a $2 digital coupon for the Cascade dishwashing tabs that are $11.25. So again, there are so many promotions going on at Dollar General this week. So you'll want to make sure that you head to the Dollar General app. Always be sure to clip that save $5 when you spend $25 if you're going to be going in the store on Saturday. And then any of the other additional digital coupons to prepare you for the promotions going on. Now for the Colgate, there's a save an additional $3 when you buy 2 of these Colgate toothpaste products. And for the pain medications, you can save an additional $2 when you clip the digital coupon. If you're in need of some of the Hanes products, you can instantly save $3 when you spend $12 on any Hanes underwear or socks bonus pack for the family. And that's a really good promotion, especially with back to school right around the corner. For the pet products, they've got it looks like Good and Fun, 2 for $18. And for the 9 Lives, they've got, let's see, the $5.25, and they've got a $7.95 promotion going on as well. So again, the school products seem to be the highlight of this week's ad. They've got a digital coupon where you can save $2 when you spend $10 on select back to school stationery items. The pencils are going to be on sale for 50 cents. The erasers, they've got the scissors that are starting at $1. So many back to school promotions going on. Also in the home section, you want to check out all of the buy one, get one free promotions going on framed art, home decor, lawn decor, and some of the swim and summer toys. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos.